Welcome to Samisha Ambrosia, an exclusive residential marble that promises to redefine luxury living. Located at the heart of Sector 70, SPR Road, this 4.03 acres project is not just a home, it's an experience. This is your opportunity to own a piece of a premium mixed-use development. A corner plot with L-shaped commercial high street offering not just a home, but everything you need at your doorsteps. Imagine having top brands and daily needs store just a few steps away. Convenience right at your doorstep. This vibrant commercial space is designed to cater to all your shopping needs, making it a one-stop destination. Samisha Ambrosia features two tower structures with grand G+30 elevation. Tower A offers expansive 4 BHK plus servant apartments ranging from 2870 to 2880 square feet on each floor. Every floor has just 4 units, ensuring privacy and a truly exclusive living experience. Tower B offers generously sized 3 BHK plus servant apartments ranging from 2570 to 2580 square feet. Every apartment here is designed with one thing in mind: comfort. Spacious rooms, modern amenities, and a layout that makes you feel at home instantly. Not just about space, but about lifestyle, Samisha Ambrosia offers 30,000 square feet clubhouse with G+1 elevation. This is where relaxation meets recreation. Take a dip in the 2 luxurious swimming pools, shoot some hoops on the half basketball court, or simply unwind at the amphitheater. Here's the best part. Samisha Ambrosia features the biggest USP of this project: double height living areas. With 20 feet floor to ceiling height, your living room feels like an open sky. That is something you won't find anywhere else. Each apartment comes with a fully modular kitchen, complete with a VRV AC system, chimney and a hob. It's all about making your daily life easier and more luxurious. With only 228 units in total, this is a low-density project ensuring a peaceful environment with fewer neighbors and more spaces for you to breathe. Want something more exclusive? The penthouses at Samisha Ambrosia offers panoramic views and a lifestyle that's truly unmatched. Security is top-notch here. With a single entry and exit combined with 3-tier security, you can rest assured that your family is safe and sound 24/7. Let's talk location. Samisha Ambrosia is strategically located with excellent connectivity. Just 1 kilometer from SPR Road, with a new metro line coming up that will make your commute even more convenient. The elevated highway will give you direct connectivity, making travel a breeze. You're surrounded by fully developed neighborhood like Sector 70, 68, 68A and 70A, ensuring a vibrant community with all the amenities you could need. In just 2 to 3 kilometer radius, you have commercial hubs like M3M Broadway, Elan Epic, Previous 73 and more. Shopping, dining and entertainment, everything is within reach. Need to work or commute? Cyber City is just 5 to 10 minutes away. And prominent office spaces like American Express Campus, BMW Training Center, and even Trump Tower 2 are all within close proximity. This area is booming with opportunities. The future of growth lies here in SPR. With developed infrastructure and the potential for even more growth, this is one of the most promising micro markets in the city. Samisha Ambrosia isn't just a place to live, it's a place to thrive. Whether you're looking for a family home or a smart investment, this is the perfect choice. Samisha Ambrosia, brought to you by the trusted Samisha Group, a sister company of the renowned Sri Vardhaman Group, has already delivered over 10 successful projects. With the property fully paid up and no dues, Rest assured, you're in the safe hands. With the project launch in April 2024 and possession by December 2028, now is the time to secure your home as Samisha Ambrosia. Call us today to learn more and schedule your visit. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to own or invest in one of the most exciting developments of the city.